Hi, welcome back to Cadence Catalyst. Before I begin with this new Stoic poem of unleashing the power of consistency, I would like to thank all the viewers of this video. This is my take on using consistency to conquer life's challenges and soar to new heights through a Stoic poem. What is my understanding of consistency? Why is it necessary? How to avoid distractions from getting in the way of consistency. With all being said, let's begin. Most trivial player in life game is seasoned in consistency play. In toughest of time, consistency helps us become something worthwhile. Without it, no empire would have had any victories to claim. Warriors it creates, while the others one just dissipate. It shows you ugly days through its trying ways. It's a climb with a high summit in sight. Once you reach summit height, the more you have to consistently fight to not lose your height, leaving buried the grinding way of conflicts left behind. Thank you again for watching my video. If you derived value from this content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.